Hi, it's SES New York 2012, and we are with Drew McCormick, who works as market development leader at Clickable.
Yes.
Hi there, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Having a good show?
Yeah, great show so far.
Right, good. Could you fill us in? What is Clickable?
Clickable, we've developed a marketing intelligence platform. So we've integrated these networks into our technology: Facebook, Google, Yahoo, Bing, LinkedIn, and Twitter. And we have management tools to help optimize performance on advertising campaigns for those networks. And then we've also developed a widget-based dashboard, which is a flexible, real-time reporting environment where you can prove ROI and the effectiveness of each of those networks.
Cool.
Yeah.
Can you show us a little?
Yeah, absolutely. What we've got up right here is, if you can see this on the screen, this is sort of the main interface of our dashboard when you first log in. And what we're looking at here is a search dashboard. Over on the left where my mouse is, you can see all the different accounts that we've got linked into our tool right now. And again, this list will be growing as we continue to develop it. And it's a pretty flexible work environment, so I can kind of customize my workspace here. And what we're looking up at the top here, this is our library of different widgets that we've built. And each of these widgets is sort of like a little window of a specific analysis that we're trying to run to see how our accounts are performing. So we've got lots of different visual styles, we've got different types of charts, line graphs, and then we can also put together data tables to show really the metrics that are most relevant to us. And then once you've created different widgets that will show different accounts performance over different time periods, you can drag and drop them down into the dashboard here. And you can customize this dashboard really to show whatever is most relevant to you, whether you're an advertiser, agency. And so you can see all of these different widgets are surfacing different types of data, and they're giving us different insights into our account's performance. So for example, here we've got a goal performance widget, which I can expand, and it's showing me just over yesterday how I performed on a revenue basis in this search account. And based on goals that I've set for my different clients, I know, based on the color coding, where I should focus my time and where I should improve my performance. And this is just a representative demo account for a couple of different search campaigns to give us an idea of how we can improve these search campaigns. But the idea here is that we can also integrate social data, LinkedIn, Twitter, and see how to get a holistic view of how we're performing across all those different channels.
Wow. Who would you say should be using this?
Really, it's designed for anyone. It's powerful on the back end where we can manage significant amounts of data, we can do complex analysis, bulk changes, maybe for more of the digital agency side. But direct advertisers, it's very simple to learn, very easy to use, and it's a beautiful reporting experience to provide reports internally or for your clients.
What is the one thing which makes your product different from all the other ones?
I think the usability and the customizability of it. We take an approach where we're not going to tell our users what's important to them, but we want to make it very easy for users to decide what they would like to see, how they'd like to see it, and how they'd like to interact with the platform. So it's really easy to customize, and then once you've got it set up, you can get surface insights really quickly that would normally take.
What kind of different accounts do you have?
So, you mean as far as user accounts, or?
Yeah, or pricing, stuff like that?
Yeah, on the technology side, we're pretty flexible with pricing. It kind of depends on the type of user. We've got just the technology offering where you have access to our full platform. You can manage your Facebook, Google accounts, and report on them. And then we've also got a team of solutions experts who can go in and manage your accounts for you. So we capable of outsourcing.
Okay, great. Thank you very much. It's Clickable, and you can find it on clickable.com.